Hello and welcome to today's video. Hello Gunites and welcome to today's video. In today's video, as you can see, I am going to create this delicious makeup look. So yeah, if you want to watch the process, then join along. For this Ariel inspired makeup transformation, we are gonna start off with the face. So I'm just creating a base to work with, and then we are gonna contour, add highlight. I am done with the foundation. However, as you can see right now, it is looking weird, and that's because this foundation that I'm using currently takes about like 2 minutes to settle down. Yes, it is going to oxidize a little bit, so if I put on contour right now, it is going to land up looking patchy. And so in order to avoid that, we are gonna give it that quick minute for it to settle down, let it take its own sweet time, and in the meanwhile we'll do our eyes. So I am going to start off with a beige shade just to create a base for us to work with, just swirling it all over my eyelids and not really doing much with it, just creating that base so that we can work upon it. Now let's do the brows first and then return back to the eyes. So yes, as I have always mentioned in all my videos, we are gonna start by creating a stencil for the eyebrows and then use individual strokes to fill them in. Now returning back to the eyes, let's just apply a transition color. However, it's also beige, so I'm not too sure if you can actually see it, but yes, is a slightly darker version of beige. And now comes the actual colors that you can see. So we are starting with a little brown. Oh yeah, likewise on this eye as well. I genuinely feel and I genuinely believe that makeup is such a therapy. It helps you just feel calm and relaxed. Do you feel the same about makeup? Do you enjoy the process of creating a wonderful eye look? Or do you find it tedious and do you hate makeup? Which side of the spectrum do you fall into? Tell me in the comment section. And now for the inner corners, I am applying a really light white shade so that I can brighten up this area and make our eyes look bigger, and I'm dragging the inner shade towards the outer corner. So it's almost like I'm creating this almond shape. I am following the natural crease of my eye and dragging it out, so it's blending well with the browns and everything else. And with the remainder product, I'm just blending everything together so it all looks seamless, so that you cannot tell where one starts and where the other one ends. Yes, this is a process. Draw it in small scratchy motions. It is going to take you 2 to 3 minutes before it all gets blended well. So that's about that. Love it. And now for the inner corner, I am gonna add some glittery shimmery shade. And yes, I do feel that they are best when applied with fingers, because otherwise they lose their shimmer and they're not as shimmery as we want them to be. So I'm gonna use my fingers to apply that on the inner area and then blend it out with whatever is remaining on my finger. It's such a natural shift, so it almost looks as if I haven't done too much. Like for example, from hair, it might look as if I haven't done too much, but actually, you know, that I've spent quite some time trying to create this look. that's how it is. We want it to look natural and yet glamorous. We want you to look breathtaking, just like I am gonna look today. And I'm gonna go surprise my husband as always with the look. Let's start with the contour process now, and as you know me, it is my favorite process. The next step is the eyeliner, and I cannot emphasize on this enough that an eyeliner can actually make your eyes look more prettier because it makes them look elongated and big. I'm gonna curl them a little bit because why not? Now for the lips. I guess we should apply some blush. Initially I was gonna skip it, but I feel it would look good with this. So what do you say? How's the look? That's about it for today's video. I'll see you in my next one.
Burning through my darkest night. You're the only